Pandemic-era public health policy known as Title 42 could end in just a matter of days. The Biden administration tonight facing questions on if the federal government is ready to handle a surge of migrants looking to cross the border, a border where resources are already stretched extremely thin and thousands of migrants waiting to cross the border. News 4 Tucson's Eric Fink joins us live at the federal courthouse in downtown with more on what's next. Eric.
Sean, good evening. Title 42 is now in the fate of the Supreme Court tonight, or I should say the fate of Title 42 is in the hands of the Supreme Court tonight. Rather, this, as Customs and Border Protection say, it saw the largest number of illegal border crossings for a month just last month. With all of this, one Tucson immigration-based attorney says Title 42 must go.
Title 42 should absolutely be gotten rid of.
Immigration lawyer Rachel Wilson hopes the Supreme Court ends Title 42, the public health rule that was put back into effect at the start of the pandemic, allowing immigration officials to turn back migrants at the border seeking asylum.
It's not serving its purpose as a health measure. It never did. And it's being used ad hoc as a way to get around the fact that seeking asylum is legal.
According to CBP, there were more than 204,000 illegal crossings at the border in November, a 4% jump from October, fueled by an influx of Cubans and Nicaraguans.
People were stopped 204,000 times. That could very well be, and likely is, the same person attempting multiple times to cross the border because, like I said, there's no legal way to request asylum at the border right now.
If Title 42 ends, that will almost certainly mean a surge at the border. And when people cross into southern Arizona, some are brought here to Casolitas, a temporary shelter where asylum seekers stay before going to link up with their families or sponsors in other parts of the country.
We are currently receiving at times 500 to 800 people a day, which is a significant increase over the number of folks we were serving this time last year. We don't believe that we fully have all the resources necessary to serve folks who might be coming to us in numbers of 1,000 to 1,200 a day. Another wrinkle in all of this, the growing backlog of immigration cases, many dating back years, stalled in an overwhelmed court system.
The immigration system as a whole is a catastrophe. And when you put pressure on one part of the system, it causes another part of the system to break down even more than it was beforehand.
And right now, according to a team at Syracuse University that tracks immigration data, that backlog of immigration cases sits at more than 2 million nationwide tonight. More than 17,000 are here in Arizona. Again, the Supreme Court expected to rule on Title 42 very soon, and we will bring you the latest as soon as it comes in to our newsroom. We're live tonight downtown. I'm Eric Fink, News 4 Tucson.